Mr. Excel podcast is sponsored by Easy Excel. Learn Excel from Mr. Excel podcast, episode 1468, Adding Time. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill John. Sean sent me this beautiful spreadsheet, hundreds and hundreds of rows, but I am able to put the whole problem here in one line. He had a whole bunch of people that worked the same job. They started from 7 to 3. It means they had an 8-hour shift, so that's pretty cool. C3 minus B3. They were making 9.25 per hour, and we want to figure out those 21 people times 8 hours, what that's going to be. So we do 21 times 8 a.m. and we get this. What is that? All right, and as I looked at Sean's spreadsheet, he had actually gone into the number tab, and under time, he had used, I think, this one, 1:30 p.m. Click OK. And same thing over here, I'll press the F4 key. Still doesn't help. What you have to do if you want to get the total number of hours is you have to go into that format cells and look for the one called 373055. That's the one with more than 24 hours. So we choose that one, and now we actually get the correct answer of 168 hours. But hey, this looks really stupid tracking the number of seconds that somebody worked. So let's go back in, Control 1. After we've chosen that, go down to Custom, and we're going to get rid of the seconds part. So just get rid of the colon SS. And then that ampersand @ sign, or semicolon @ sign, is saying if it's not numeric, just to treat it as text. I'm just going to leave that off because I know it's going to be numeric because it's a formula. So we have 168 hours. Now if we actually want to multiply the 925 times the 168, then we have to do equal 9.25 times the 168 hours times 24. And we'll just do a little test here. Plus 168 times 9.25. See if that works. Yep, that's good. The reason, because an hour is actually stored as 1/24th of a day. By multiplying it by 24, we can convert to actual hours. So a couple of tricks there. The big one is using that 373055 weird time format, which ends up putting square brackets around the H, and then we can get rid of the colon SS. Completely unintuitive. I don't know how anyone was ever supposed to figure that out. And think about it, doing a timesheet, 8 hours Monday through Friday adds up to 40, and it comes out to 16. It's just one of the bizarre things about Excel, but hopefully with this, Sean will be able to get that gorgeous spreadsheet working. Oh, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. I want to thank Sean for sending that question in. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.